Good day, good people. I go by the name of Akembi Greedy. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout. Well, for the topic of today, we're going to talk about peppers, how to grow them, and how to keep them healthy. Without further ado, let's get started.
Now, this type of pepper plant is called jalapeno. Furthermore, I am going to take you through how I managed to grow it from seeds in the southern hemisphere of Africa. So let's get started with the process. As you can see, here is a red ripe pepper. I am going to take you through and show you the seeds from within and extract them. Growing any pepper plant from seeds requires fully matured seeds from a ripe harvest, and make sure to look out for any rot or decay within the pepper harvest. Plant jalapeno seeds 1/4 inch deep in rows that are 18 to 24 inches apart, and in soil depth. Make sure not to bury them in too deep, as they may take time to sprout. Water the seeds well and keep the soil moist until they germinate, which usually takes about 7 to 10 days. Once the seedlings have emerged, thin them so that there is one plant every 12 to 18 inches. I'm going to show you how to keep your plants healthy. A method that is commonly used in modern day agriculture is to prevent plants from growing in height, as height usually means less peppers. Watch as I illustrate how I prune my jalapeno peppers. Make sure to water your plants twice a day to prevent drought on the roots.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video till the end. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button below. Your support is much appreciated. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout.